Hey guys, just a quick little thing is I think my background should be right here. So for some of my videos, I think my background should be right here. I'm sorry if that bothers you. Just, I have a ball right here. I play this and I do stuff like this. I just went over the bar. You shouldn't have seen that. So maybe in some of my videos, if you don't like that, I do comments, by the way. Maybe I should do this. Is that better for you guys? Okay. So for this video, I'm probably gonna do it like this. I'm sorry, it might upset some of you. But okay, thank you. Let's go on to the video. Yeah, hey guys, you know the drill. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you would know when I do new videos. And share so everybody can know. Okay, so if you want to go to your friend's house and you want to bring some fidgets, I do that all the time. I'm an expert. And what I do is I bring this bag and I just add some of my fidgets I want to do. Sorry. Let's just get all these fidgets out of here. So what I do is so I open the bag and I'm like, okay, maybe a bland poppet. That's not so good poppet. That'll work here like that. Play with that. Let's add a fidget spinner. A few monkey noodles won't hurt. All mesh classic. And just add original classic Rubik's Cube. And just add infinity cube to finish it. And now we're done. So we might just be done. We might be done right now. This video is short. I'm just gonna do just a short video. Sorry for some of you guys. Maybe you wanted a different, longer 20-minute video. But I'm not doing that because I'm lazy. And I just need a time to relax. Because lately, I'm surprised how much I've done videos. I've been doing twice a week. Do you know? Twice a week. And it takes me 5 days to even know what I'm gonna do. So maybe you guys could have some ideas for my channel, videos. And yes, if you guys, I have been thinking about it, and maybe you guys want it. Maybe I might go outside and maybe do a tour of my backyard and my things in my storage garage. Is that garage? Just yeah. And I might go to the park and do a video. So if you guys if you guys want to do that, totally go in the comments and just say, hey, I do want a video to see your backyard, or you just want to see maybe my house, some cool features about it, or we can go to the park and you can just tell me. I read comments. So I just want to say, bye guys, and this was a short video, except I'm happy. My videos have been going up lately. And I just thank you for all, and I'll see you later. Bye!